that you want to do is gather everything you'll need. I'm just making a small batch, so you may need to double the amounts that I'm using. But I have 1 1/4 cup of water, 1 cup of white sugar, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, and the star of the show, you'll need vanilla extract, and I'm using 2 tablespoons. And then you'll also need a container as well to house your syrup. I'm just using a recycled creamer bottle. Now that you have everything gathered, the next step is bringing everything to a boil. So you want to put the water, brown sugar, and white sugar in a pot. You're going to save the vanilla for later on. It doesn't get added till the very end. Okay, you're going to give it a good stir, and then you're going to leave it to boil. Okay, once it starts boiling, you want to let it boil for at least 2 minutes, and then you're going to take it off of the heat and let it cool down. And then after it cools down is when we're going to add the vanilla. Now that the liquid's cooled off, I'm going to add my vanilla extract and stir it up. And it's done. It's super easy to make this vanilla syrup, and now all I'm going to do is add it to my bottle. Okay, here's the finished product. It makes about 1 1/2 cups of syrup. Again, I just used a recycled creamer bottle, and this should last at least 2 weeks. It'll last longer the better quality bottle that you have. The more airtight it is, the longer it'll last. And you do want to store this in the refrigerator. Do not leave it out. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see similar videos, please subscribe. Thank you. See you later.